24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Length. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method. Concrete, pictorial, and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Let us start with the concept of length. Focus on learning by doing as students learn more when they are involved in the task assigned to them. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare objects based on their length. To enable them to measure and estimate lengths in centimeter. Inform the students that they will be learning about length. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Hold up a ruler and ask the students, "What is this?" 2. Give them a minute to think pair share their answers. 3. Clarify that the object is a ruler and it can be used to measure objects in centimeter. 4. Start with a pencil. 5. Reiterate that when we estimate, we use information we already have to make an informed decision about the size or amount of something. 6. Ask the students to look at the pencils. Say, "I want you to think if this pencil will be more or less than 10 centimeter. 7. Give the students time to discuss their ideas and partnerships. Allow a few partnerships to share their ideas. Demonstrate and write the length on the writing board in centimeter. Play a game following these steps. 1. Have the students list 10 objects in the classroom that they can measure with a partner. 2. Write them on the board and the students copy them down. 3. In pairs, students should measure these objects. 4. Compare answers as a class. 5. As students are measuring the classroom objects, walk around and see who is needing help with the non-standard measures. 6. After they have had repeated experiences with measurement, choose 5 random objects in the classroom and have the students measure those in small groups so that you can assess their understanding of the concept. Ask them to open their textbooks and estimate the length. Reinforcement worksheet for the concept of length can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.